everyone! Dito tayo ngayon sa North Guys Restaurant kasi mag-celebrate ako ng aking birthday dito. I don't know where Studies ka na park to. So this is the North. So yun ang kanilang menu. So parang wala tayong magugustuhan dito pero tingnan natin. So nakapag-order na tayo guys. So we are waiting for our order. So for now, inom muna tayo ng sarap. Grabe. Lime ito mocktails. So, tapos na tayong kumain ng starter. So, mag-mains na tayo guys. Mag-main course na tayo. So, another plate. Ang tagal ng ating food guys. Tagal ng ating main course. So, kain po. This raw food. So this is the One Love, the crab thing. It's a crab. Crab. It wasn't like that.
What was the other one then?
It's just a... Come on, baby. So guys, nandito na yung aking pagkain. So, kain na tayo. Kain muna kami guys kasi gutom na kami. Sarap ng pagkain guys. So, tapos na tayong kumain ng ating pagkain. So, guys, we are waiting for the dessert. Actually, yung anak ko lang ang magdi-dessert kasi ako, sobrang busog na ako. So, ayoko na kumain. Happy birthday to me. It's nice, baby. Bring that in here, love. Oh, that's... Oh. So, tapos na kaming kumain ng dessert. So, magbabayad na tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung ating bill. So, tapos na tayong kumain guys. So, uuwi na tayo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon guys, it's a nice day here in UK. So, and it's Mother's Day. So, maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa kanal. Ganda kasi ng araw ngayon guys. So dito tayo sa nag-drive tayo ng 45 minutes para maglakad-lakad dito sa kanal. Tingnan niyo ang mga bahay o malapit lang sila dito sa kanal. So kung may sarili kang boat, pwede kang mag-sail dito. Talaga farm, we love farm. Where? Where's the car park? Oh yeah. But where is that though? How to get in there? Lamig dito sa tubig. Oh yeah. Carry on. Mga tao. Dapat ang car park. Oh. I think you have to pay for that park. Oh my God, grabe. Mahangin. Malamig. Sobrang lamig. Oh my God, dahil mahangin siya. It's freezing. You should have get them hire a boat.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, angry.
Is the Mandarin
Now she,
Mandarin and what's it called the other one?
she prefers that one there.
Mm-hmm.
He's getting jealous.
Oh, There's a jealousy between the two of them,
Jealousy.
three of them. The other one is not a duck, isn't it? It's a bird. It's a bird. Aww, this one. They're fighting for each other. May the best man win. Sorry, we don't have food for you guys. Ay, may barko. Ay, it's not barko. Ay, it's not barko.
300 years, it's still standing. That's what
This one. After 30 years. 300 years, I mean. Still standing. Daw, sabi ni Daddy Rob. Ang lamig. Ay, tama nga, oh. Barko nga, di ba? Sabi ko kanina. A boat. Grabe talagang ganda-ganda ng araw ngayon. Pero mahangin. Kaya malamig dahil malakas ang hangin. Parang ang layo na ng nilakad namin ah. Yung attire pa ng lola niya is hindi pang lakad talaga. Naka-dress. That's not chicken. Oh, look at the crocodile there. There is a crocodile. Crocodile. They're not scared of the crocodile. Alam nila na piki kasi din. We are in Parbold.
Alam mo ba yung weekend
Sa YouTube.
na maganda ang araw sa
Uy! Ano nga natin? Ang ganda kasi oh.
Ikaw nga kunan ko.
Hindi na.
Para may
Ako na.
ikaw. I am there.
You're like screaming. Liverpool.
What?
So yun lang ang ating pamamasyal sa countryside people. Thank you so much for watching. Kain tayo dito guys. Nandos. Kasi ito lang yung makakain ni Daddy Rob. Mediterranean salad.